Hello students, I Sonali Patel from Gokhale Education Society, HL High School English Medium, Ozar Township. I post videos on State Board. Last video we have learned Bhasha Sutra 3. Now we will learn Sukti Sudha. Students, it is saying Prithvyam Trini Ratnani Jalamannam Subhashitam Mudai Pashana Khandeshu Ratna Saudnya Vidhiyate. Means on the earth three gems are there: water, food and subhashit. But foolish persons are give the name pieces of stones. Students, without water and food we did not live. Like that, without learned subhashitas we did not live, because subhashitas are giving a shape in our life. Like a potter is a give a shape to the soil. Like that, subhashitas also give a shape to our life. Different types of shlokas are there, small but meaningful. So, ready students? First I read Sukti Sudha for the pronunciation. All should read behind me and learn by heart. विद्वत्वं च नृपत्वं च नैव तुल्यं कदाचन स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूज्यते अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति नास्ति मूलमनौषधम् अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभम् अतिदानात् बलिर्बद्धो यतिमानात् सुयोधन विनष्टो रावणो लौल्यात् अति सर्वत्र वर्जयेत् अपि स्वर्णमयी लङ्का न मे लक्ष्मण रोचते जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. This last stanza is not in the portion, but for the extra knowledge, for the grammar, I teach. First stanza. विद्वत्वं च नृपत्वं च नैव तुल्यं कदाचन स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूज्यते. विद्वत्वं means scholar, नृप means king, नैव न plus a word dissolve sandhi, not at all. Tulya means comparable, kadachan means never, swadeshe own country, pujyate means worship, raja means king, vidwan means scholar, sarvatra means everywhere. Vidvatvam Drupatvam means scholar and the king. Na eva tulyam kadachana, never comparable. Swadeshe pujyate raja. Swadeshe means own country, the king. Because the king worship only his own kingdom. Vidwan sarvatra pujyate. But the scholar has worship everywhere. Worship means respect. A scholar has knowledge which is valued everywhere. So scholars, scientists, great artists, writers, etc. are respected all over the world. The king has power, but it is only in his own country. People may respect him out of fear. When a king dies, he is very soon forgotten. It is not so with scholars, writers, etc. Their appeal is universal and permanent. अमन्त्रम अक्षरम नास्ति नास्ति मूलमनौषधम अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति योजकस्तत्र दुर्लभः. Mantra means spell, but a mantra means which is not a spell. Nasti, na plus asti, dissolve sandhi. Moolam means root. Anaushadham means which is not a medicine. Ayogyaha means useless. Purusha means man. Yojakaha means planner. Tatra means there. Durlabhaha means rare. Amantram aksharam nasti means there is not a single letter which is not a spell or mantra. नास्ति मूलम अनौषधम means there is not a root that which has no medicinal use. अयोग्यः पुरुषो नास्ति means there is no useless man. योजकः तत्र दुर्लभः only one who makes use is rare. While the example of akshara means character and mula means root are easy to understand, this slok subtly points at two things. One is to have adequate knowledge about the matter. For example, a smartphone is nothing but a fancy paperweight to an unitedly person, but the same smartphone is a great tool to access knowledge, communicate, and many more tasks. The second thing the shlok points out subtly is the importance of the person who knows how to put someone in the right environment. Identifying someone's potential requires years of understanding, insight, and an innate skill to truly understand the person, because more often than not people do not know what they want to do. That's why we have aptitude tests to determine what profession would suit you. Next answer. अतिदानात् बलिर्बद्धो यतिमानात् सुयोधनः विनष्टो रावणो लौल्यात् अति सर्वत्र वर्जयेत्. Ati means extreme, excessive, too much. Dana, dan means donation. Balir Baddho, Bali, the name king. Baddha means bounded. Ati Manat means man means honor, excessive. Ati means excessive, extreme, like that. Suyodhana, the name of the king. Vinashto means destroy. Ravan, all should know about the Ravan. Laulyat means due to desire. Ati sarvatra varjayet. Sarvatra means everywhere. Varjayet means avoid. Ati means extreme. Ati danat balir baddo. Because of extreme donation, the king Bali was bounded. Ati manat suyodhanaha. Because of extreme ego, the king Suyodhana was also bounded. Vinashto Ravana Laulyat. Laulyat means due to desire or extreme greed. Because of extreme greed, Ravan was destroyed. Ati Sarvatra Varjayat. So one should avoid extreme everywhere. King Bali met his end due to his extreme charity. Suyodhana was killed due to his excessive pride. For too much lust brought the end to Ravana, hence gives up excess in everything. Bali, Duryodhana and Ravana have set examples of how not to overindulge in any kind of vasanas or notions. Anything that exceeds required bounds will prove fatal. Like they say, too much is too bad. Even if one is eating their most favorite dish, they could relish it only for so long. It will not be so enticing after that. Despite the fact, if one eats forcefully, it aggravates into a health hazard. Similarly, anything that crosses over a line brings unwanted repercussions. Shortly, in a simple language in Marathi, Ati Tethe Mati. Next stanza. अपि स्वर्णमयी लंका न मे लक्ष्मण रोचते जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. Swarnamai means golden. Lanka, you all should know about the Ravana's Lanka. Na me Lakshmana rochate. Rochate means like. Na means not. Me means me. I did not like that. Janani means mother. Janma bhumi means motherland. Swargadapi gariyasi. Gariyasi means greater and Swarga means heaven, greater than heaven. Ram says, O Lakshmana, even Lanka is golden. I did not like because mother and motherland is greater than heaven. This shloka is from the conversation between Lord Sri Ram and Lakshmana in Valmiki Ramayana. It is very appropriate to remember the shloka on the occasion of Vijayadashmi, or 6000 years ago after the great victory over Ravana. On the day of Vijayadashmi, Lord Sri Ram tells Lakshmana that he was not interested in the wealth of Lanka. He did never want to rule Lanka. He would rather go back to his motherland. Later, Vibhishana was made the king of Lanka. Students, we should not forget our mother and motherland. Students, write this poem, meaning and translation in classwork, Bhasha Abhyas in homework, and learn by heart this poem Sukti Sudha.